Here are several methods to improve the image quality of SD3. For steps, recommend 26 to 36. For CFG, suggest 3.5 to 4.5. The sampler and scheduler should be set as in the video. Latent space here can be set using the built-in node latent SD3, or you can use plugin nodes for setup. This is the plugin to which the node belongs. If the seed in this area is fixed and doesn't yield good results, you can set it to random. Observations show that different seeds can lead to very high upper and lower limits, so it really depends on luck. You can chain 3 nodes above for optimization. The first one is the model sampling algorithm SD3, which introduces a new parameter called shift, recommended at a value of 3. As resolution increases, you can appropriately raise the scaling factor CFG, allowing for higher CFG values without causing image degradation. The physical encoder reverse prompt here can use NSFW, which is my time, and also bad hands. Other words are not recommended. From now on, we can add a condition with 3 reverse prompt keywords. With this condition, we can stop the entire case sampler at 20% of its process. A value of 0.5 corresponds to 50%, and without it, it will reach 100%. Why set up such a node? My understanding is that there's no need for reverse prompts anymore, as they can overly influence our visuals. There is also a version with 3 small models combined, and it can be connected to corresponding prompts for clip I, clip G, and T5. So, I recommend using this integrated setup. After the original K-sampler, connect another K-sampler, linking latent to latent for denoising. It's like passing through a refiner, which can enhance the visual quality of the image. If your main content using SD3 involves extremely explicit depictions of women, my suggestion is to stop using SD3. If it can't draw these well, I think the issue lies in the architecture, not just parameter adjustments. Especially with SD version 3, I think even after minor adjustments, it is extremely unsuitable for AI photography. Then why did I choose SD3? Same size, SD can produce clearer images than Chow, and it can display various styles. My main type of creation is like this. Navigate to RunningHub, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1,200 points. Logging in daily will give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.